Dear students, now we are going to see the sorting machine and the operation which can be performed in this machine. So, will the cutting operation which is performed in this sorting machine is similar like safer. Here, the cutting operation which is performed is basically by reciprocating motion. So, here the cutting operation will be done while it in the forward stroke, and the backward stroke it will be idle, similar like the shaping. In this sorting machine, we will be able to perform we will be able to make queues, groove and slot. So, before starting the machining operation, we have a look to the total structure and main components of sorting machine. So, you can see that here this is bed which is made of cast iron, which can absorb high compressive load and vibration, on which you can see there is a column, on which there is main spindle. Here there is a and saddle and above which on the top there is a rotary table. Now come here. Here you can see that here is the power source from where that power will be transmitted to the counter shaft. From this counter shaft the motion will be transmitted to the main spindle, wherein you can see that at the end there is flywheel and here is the main gear. Now that is in this spindle and on the shaft there is a এটাকে কি বলেছিলেন ভুলে গেলাম, there is rocker arm, and here this is the ram which will provide the reciprocating motion. Here this is the counterweight which will help while having the backward stroke quickly. Now, as explained earlier, I am again reiterating that the forward stroke is the cutting stroke and backward stroke is the idle stroke, and the backward stroke is faster than forward stroke. Now, here this is the wheel by which the table can be moved along this axis. Now, here this is the wheel by which the table can be moved to across the axis. So, here you can see that there is another connection here. So, this is called ratchet, this is ratchet pull mechanism by which automatic feed can be given. There is a connection, here is a arm wheel under this table. So, similar like shaping machine, here we will be able to provide automatic feed, automatic both feed, but here while we will perform the operation, the okay. Here the table can be moved across this axis by this one, and as I have explained that, okay, now you can see that, as you can see, and by this the table can be rotated. Another thing I will have to mention is that this is a rotary table, and you can see that there are different slots is there, and the job will be held here by the nut and bolt with the support, and as there is many slots, so more than one job can be held here. And here is the your cutting tool. Now we are going to perform your sorting operation. Now may you please start the sorting operation. So, please have a look here that they are checking for the feed by moving the flywheel. Okay, so before starting the operation, they are trying to adjust it properly for the for our desired cut. Now, here they are tightening the nut to hold the job rigidly. So, now the machine is going to start. Now you can see in the forward stroke and the backward stroke. So, this, okay, you can observe the reciprocating motion here by this ram. Yes. So the feed is given by this wheel along the axis, and the sort is going to be made by this operation. So if you come closer to have a look is this position, you can see that the slot which is going to be made is similar to the shape like the tool, and this is a single point cutting tool. Okay, so you can see that the forward stroke is the main cutting stroke and backward stroke is idle, and you can observe it that the backward stroke is faster than the forward stroke, and it is similar like shaping operation, and it has been told many times that this can be told that this is a vertical shaping operation. So
Now you can show that this is the final.
okay, so you can see that this is a helical gear, and this QA sort has been made. This is our final product. So when it will be mounted on any shaft for the purpose of transmitting motion or speed, then it will be adjusted, or it will be fitted with the spindle, so that it can rigidly fixed on the shaft. Thank you very much for this watching.